Want to make your money work for you in 2024? We've got the best investment strategies that could help you grow your wealth, fast. Stay with us till the end for tips that can change your financial future. 2024 is the year of financial growth. With inflation on the rise, saving money isn't enough. You need to invest smartly to beat the market. Let's start with stocks, a safe way to grow your money over time. But with high-risk rewards come high-risk pitfalls. Do you know which stocks will perform best in the future? For beginners, index funds and ETFs are the way to go. Low fees, instant diversification, and historical success. They're a great option if you're just starting. But stocks aren't the only game in town. Real estate is still one of the best ways to build wealth in 2024. Think rental properties, flipping houses, or even REITs. Then there's the volatile world of cryptocurrency. While it's not for the faint-hearted, smart investments here can yield huge returns. But caution is key. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Remember, the best investment strategy is one that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Don't just jump in, create a plan and stick to it. Want to make 2024 your most profitable year? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a little financial boost.